So now we're going to be going over Chapter 5, The Universe is Bigger Than What We Were Told. In this chapter, I'm going to reveal that what the scientists are saying about the existence of the multiverse system is accurate. And I'm not only basing it on cutting-edge science regarding the existence of multiple universes, and as well as the existence of the metaverse, which they call the Mother Universe, but I'm also going to do something different. I'm also going to tie it in with the esoteric ancient wisdom regarding the different spheres of reality, as well as with some restored information that was given to our planet or restored to our planet in the early 1950s by some higher intelligences that are hailing from these higher worlds that I'm going to be revealing in this next chapter. So it's also very important to know that regardless of how many universes exist and how many universes are being created on a daily basis, as creation is a perpetual ongoing process, now that we've established that, it is very important to understand that it's all being orchestrated and weaved from the center of all there is, by a universal architect that many know as God. So this chapter will prove the existence of God. It'll tie in science, religion, and of course cutting-edge science, and the esoteric knowledge, and the Bible all in one. So, Chapter 5, The Universe is Bigger Than What We Were Told. In the vast cosmos of existence, there are many levels, realms, and endless universes. Today, it has been postulated, particularly in the realm of particle physics and superstring theory, that there are many universes that are evolving parallel to each other. According to the esoteric wisdom, all evolving spheres are different aspects of the omniverse that is broken off into multiple universes with evolving multiple galaxies and worlds. However, all of the universes that are evolving side by side are in essence part of a greater omniverse, or what cutting-edge science calls the metaverse, proving the esoteric wisdom correct. At the center of the metaverse, there is only one source in which everything springs from, and nothing exists outside of this source, which is called the living light. Even though there are many, perhaps infinite number of ways in which this source expresses itself through different wavelengths and frequencies of its own singular light essence, it is all part of the same whole. As mentioned, the greatest discovery in human existence is that everything is energy, and therefore everything is light. Because even energy is a step-down frequency of pure liminal light. In fact, there exist many ongoing refractions of this one light, although it appears as if there are many different reflections, universes, planes, and worlds. And the beauty is that they are all existing as one body. Therefore, let's call it the omniverse, the one in the many in the one, all different parts of the same whole. Now, in a closer examination of our cosmos, let's re-emphasize the fact that there are billions of stars in our galaxy, as science now calculates. Now, since there are billions of stars, there are probably a few billion worlds, planets like our own, or different. So just alone in this galaxy, there are innumerable suns, worlds, and planets. Now, as we stretch beyond this concept, it is important to note that there is more to our cosmology than just a few billion galaxies. For our universe is much bigger than that, as has been rediscovered in the last 50 years or so. Aside from science, there is also more speculation regarding our multiverse system that has been restored to the Earth by certain emissaries of light who hail from these higher evolved worlds. These are emissaries from the celestial and etheric realms, or what science calls dark matter and dark energy, which many have called the angels. We may also correlate these celestial beings as the intelligences of higher types of population 1, 2, and 3 galactic systems as described by superstring theorists. As mentioned in Chapter 1, about 10 universes are being born each day due to cosmic quantum fluctuations. Then galaxies and solar systems are also being spawned into existence each day. This idea of a constant perpetual creation is directly related to the central sun theory. According to the central sun theory, universes and galaxies are being spun out from a central focal point, generating cosmic energy in a centrifugal manner. That is spelled CENTRIFUGAL, centrifugal manner. This is fascinating because this theory proposes the idea that at the center of every galaxy and universe there is a heart-beating, pulsating universal life force, or central sun. This life force emanates outward from the central sun, is in a circumference manner administered